This guide will show you how to reference a book chapter using the APA style. The details for citing a book chapter are generally found on the cover, details page and contents page of the book. Important details include the author of the book, title of the book, published year, author of the chapter, title of the chapter, and the publishing details. Author. This is the author of the chapter. Use the family name with only the first letter capitalized, comma, initial, full stop. When you have more than one author, you need to include all of the names. This is an example for 3 authors. For further assistance with this aspect, please see the library's referencing and citation page. Date is formatted using the year, brackets, and followed by a full stop. Only use the year of the most recent edition, not the reprint year. Book chapter title. This is the title of the chapter. Only use capitals for the words in the chapter title and subtitle. Use a full stop at the end of the chapter title. Editor. These details are generally found on the cover of the book. We use the word "in" to show that the previous details were within this book. Format using initials, full stop, then family name. You then need to denote that this is the editor of the book. This is done by using the abbreviation ED. You then need to use brackets followed by a comma. Book title. This is the title of the book. Book title is formatted using italics. Use capitals for the first letter of the title and subtitle only. A colon is used to separate title and subtitle details. Page numbers. Abbreviated using PP followed by a full stop. Note the page range. Use brackets followed by a full stop. Place of publication. Use only one place even if more are known. For US places, we use the name of the city and town, a comma, and the abbreviated name of the state. We use the colon to separate the place name and the publisher details. Publisher. You need to identify who produced the book. Use a full stop to end the citation. For further help and assistance, see the library citation guides or ask library staff for help.